Hey, what is up? Thank you for being with me today. This is my first video for YouTube, and my name is LB, and I'm all about love and compassion. I know you see this guitar that I have right now. Do I play it? Sure. Am I amazing? Debatable. But I'm not here to play guitar, really. I'm gonna play guitar. I'll play a little guitar, but I'm really here to spread love and compassion for all. And what I believe is that my purpose is to spread love and compassion for this world, for Mother Earth, and all the animals on it. And what I know is I love all animals, and I love this earth. And when I say I love all animals, I love all species. And a human species is an animal, therefore I love all humans as well, and I love all of you. So thank you so much for being with me today. I hope you follow or subscribe, I guess is what it's called. I hope we get to kick it and have lots of fun. And I love to answer any questions that you may have. And I just want everyone to be happy. So yeah. So let's get into it. I guess I'll try to make up a song. This is what we'll do. We're gonna make up a song today. There we go. Okay. Alright. Here it goes. Love and compassion for all animals and the world. Love and compassion for all animals and the world. So do your part today. Do your part today. Do your part today. And pick up plastic. And trash. And recycle. Glass. Love, compassion. Love and compassion for you. Okay. I think that's it. I think this is just an intro video of me introducing myself. I'm sure you have many questions. Why am I wearing sunglasses? Why do I not have a shirt on? Do I even have anything down below? So, more to follow. I guess you're just going to have to subscribe and stay tuned. So, I love you all once again. I hope you share the video, and I hope we get to hang out again, because this is awesome and you're awesome, and let's do it for the world. Let's save the world. Go, if you want to partake in action. Like, once again, if I see trash, I'll always pick it up. But also planting seeds, fruits and vegetables. You know, if you always take your seeds out, you know, maybe put them in a wet paper towel, wait till they sprout a little bit, and then go, and maybe you have a neighbor maybe there's a business park nearby and they're just like planting like, just like plants that don't produce fruit, but it's not in an area that they mow. Maybe just go plant those seeds right there, and let's grow some apple trees. Let's grow some potatoes in fields. Let's grow some fruit and vegetables for all the homeless people, for all the animals, so we could start taking care of everyone. And yeah. All right, love you all. Until next time, everyone.